Take fucking 8 billion and 12. Alright, today we're making Spam pot pie. You'll need frozen spinach, flour, milk, an onion, some pie crust, Spam, shredded cheese, and a stick of butter. Let's begin. First off, cook the spinach. Ta-da! We'll use that in a bit, so don't eat it yet. Now in a pot, brown some flour. When it's brown, throw a stick of butter in it, stir all that shit together. I have no idea what that black shit is in my pot. I don't remember. Add some milk and stir it in, then stir in a chopped up onion. Stir in some more milk and some cheese. Add some more milk as necessary. Stir in some chopped up Spam. You remember that spinach I told you not to eat? Well, I hope you didn't eat it because now you fucking need it. Throw it in the pot and stir that shit in too. At some point, you're going to want to turn your oven on, preheat it to 425 degrees. Now take a pie pan, put a crust in the bottom of it, and fill it up with the pie filling. Throw a top crust on it, poke some vent holes. Bake it for 45 minutes. Yay! Now let it cool. Cut it. And eat it. Yum. Till next time.
They're not retard time.
Oh, fucking cocksucker!